Assalamu alaikum everyone. You all are welcome to Nasra Public School online teaching system. Welcome to grade 8 mathematics class. This is week 3 lesson 1C. In previous lesson we discussed the definition and different types of polynomials. We have also learnt about how to find a degree of polynomial. Continuing from where we left, we will discuss operation on polynomials in today's lesson. Let's have a look at students' learning outcome for the lesson. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to arrange a polynomial in ascending and descending order with respect to the degree of its terms and apply addition on polynomial. For operation on polynomials, we will study addition first. Remember that only like terms can be added. For example, find the sum of 3x and 4y. It will be 3x plus 4y. They can't be added because the bases are different. But if we say find the sum of 3x and 4x, it will be 3x plus 4x is equals to 7x. As the bases are same here. Add 4a plus 5b minus 7c, 3a plus 13c and minus 9b plus 5c. If we are doing it vertically, then we write each term with respect to same variables. If any variable is missing from the expression, so we will left the place and don't write anything. They are just like I have written the expression here. 3a is written just below 4a. We don't have any term with variable b in second expression, so we will left its place and write the term and so on. Now add accordingly, starting with rightmost minus 7c plus 13c. We know that when we have two different signs minus and plus, then we have to subtract the smaller term from the larger term and follow the sign of the larger term. Here the larger term is 13, its sign is plus. We have to subtract 7 from 13. Then we get 6. Then we have to add 6c plus 5c. So we get 11c. 6 plus 5 is equals to 11 and we get the answer 11c. Going right, plus 5b and minus 9b. Again we have the two different signs. When we have two different signs, then we have to subtract the smaller term from the larger term and we have to follow the sign of the larger term. And here the larger term is 9b and its sign is negative. That's why we have to subtract 5 from 9 and we get the answer 4 and the sign of it is minus, that's why we get 4b. And in 4a and 3a the both are of the same signs, that's why we have to add the terms. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7a. In the second example, add minus 5x squared plus 6xy minus 18y squared, 2xy plus 7x squared plus y squared and tan y squared minus x squared plus 1. First of all, we write numbers according to same variables and if any expression has constant, it will be written on last. 1 will be written as it is, then it comes variable square. Then 18 minus 18y square plus y square and plus 10y square minus 18 and plus 1. Here we have two different signs and 18 is larger term, its sign is minus. That's why we get minus 18 plus 1 is equals to minus 17y square. Minus 17y square plus 10y square. Again we have two different signs in which the 17 is larger term, its sign is minus. And when we subtract 10 from minus 17, we get the minus 7y square. When we minus 7y square is the answer of the second term. Then we have 6xy plus 2xy. Here the sign of both term is plus. Then we have to add the coefficients of the both term. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8xy. Then minus 5x square plus 7x square and minus 1x square. First of all, we have to solve minus 5x square plus 7x square. Here we also have the two different signs, and we have to subtract the 5 plus from 7. We get 2x square because the 7 is the larger term and its sign is positive. Then 2x square minus 1x square. We have to subtract minus 1 from plus 2. Then we get plus 1, and the answer is plus 1x square. Then in the next example, x6 minus 4x4 plus 6x, 5x6 plus 5x4 plus 6x, 12x6 minus 10x. Now we have to write the first we have to arrange the like terms according to their variables and their powers. 6x plus 6x is equals to 12x. When 10 is subtracted from it, we get 2x. Minus 4x4 plus 5x4. Here we again have two different signs. We subtract 4 plus 5. Then we get x to the power 4. When x6 power 1x6 plus 5x6 plus 12x6, they all have positive signs, then we have to add them. 1 plus 5 is equals to 6, and 6 plus 12 is equals to 18x. Summary. Here we also have a question. 8x square minus 4x, 5x minus 2x square, 3x plus 2x square plus 3 and 5x minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3, both are of the different signs and have the same value. Then we get 0. Plus 3 minus 3 will be 0 because same terms with different signs cancels out each other. Next, minus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. Solve minus 4 plus 5 is equals to 1. Then 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Next is simple. See, 8 minus 2, 6 x square. Then 6 plus 2, 8x square. The answer is 8x square plus 9x. Now the summary of the lesson. In previous lessons, we have discussed some terms like constants, variables, algebraic expressions, types of algebraic expressions that are monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. For degree of polynomial, we have learned that the greatest power of the variable is equals to degree of the polynomial, and if polynomial has two or more variables, then the degree of any term is the sum of the power of all the variables in that term. And we also started operations on polynomial, from which we have discussed addition on polynomials. That's all for this class. Thank you.